life right now is a movie. Yeah, wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Yeah, just need a happy ever after.
Like gelato, too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine, sweet fit, chillin' at the motto. Do we really wanna take it there?
Girl, it's been too long. Clock done fell off the wall. Been out here writing songs. Where the hell did the time go? Take on my passions with pain, but would you do the same? I'm going so insane, thinking about where you and I go. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up until the sunrise. Sometimes we get angrier, things get dangerous. Can't get up and get on my ride. 3 years seems like forever when you sit and think about it. I put my heart out on my sleeve, but I can't live without it. Baby, we can't keep melting like gelato. Too much time about to pull back out your condo. Sunshine's made fit, chillin', that's the motto. Do we really wanna take it there? I scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there.
I saw you inside, it was a cold winter night. You show like different intoxicants to make you feel alright. Now I'm sitting here, holding back tears and fears. You're just my type. As the night goes on, I keep biting my tongue, saying I still haven't been to make this moment go wrong. I'll drink another drink, so I don't have to think anymore. I want to believe that I would take you home. Loving you isn't hard to do. I said loving you isn't hard to do. When I see you all the way from across the room, and I'm finding you. Haze in my eyes, but still these thoughts in my mind, justifying the solace when I want you to be mine. The king of overthinking sure doesn't wanna think anymore. I want to